Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Meta AI on Instagram. So let's get started. So here we are on Instagram, but actually before you go here, you need to go into the App Store first and type in Instagram. And then you'd be able to see the Instagram app right here, and you want to check if you have the update button right here because it is absolutely necessary for you to have the latest version because Meta AI is only on the latest version. So if you have the update button available right here on your app store, then I suggest that you tap on it right away to start installing the update. And now once you have updated your Instagram app, you may now open it. And now from here, in order for you to use the Meta AI, because Meta AI is usually everywhere right here in this app once you have the AI available on your app right here. So first thing is you want to go into messages right here, and then you can actually incorporate Meta AI into your conversation. So all you have to do is go for @Meta AI right here, like mentioning it in your chat, and then you would be able to use Meta AI in your conversation. Maybe you want to generate some images, you want to ask some questions, ask some ideas or whatsoever. And also, it is also important to note that Meta AI is not available in all regions. It is only available in selected regions. Like for example, right here, in what countries is Meta AI available? It's only in Australia, Canada, Ghana, Jamaica, Malawi, and so on right here. But don't worry, this is just the beginning. It would roll out probably to some countries next. So you just need to wait if it is not still available for you. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.